Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to tell you how to make money online. There are numerous ways to make money online, and the best methods can vary depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Technology has managed to weave its way into every single aspect of our society, from facilitating our social lives to helping launch our entrepreneurial dreams. By creating a website and expanding your reach, you'll be able to tap into the endless possibilities the internet has to offer as a freelancer, gig worker, or small business owner. And by that, we mean money-making opportunities. Whether you're an educator, writer, web designer, or aspiring influencer, our guide on how to make money online will provide you with proven methods that have worked for millions of people. Here are 5 popular and potentially profitable ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. It is a popular and flexible way to make money online. Here are some key points to consider when starting a freelancing career. 1. Identify your skills. Determine what skills you possess that are in demand in the freelancing market. This could include writing, graphic design, web development, programming, digital marketing, translation, or any other specialized skill. 2. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your best work. Clients often want to see examples of your previous projects to assess your skills and quality of work. If you don't have any previous clients, you can create sample projects to showcase your abilities. 3. Choose a freelancing platform. There are several freelancing platforms where you can find clients and projects. Some popular platforms include Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, TopTal, and Guru. Research the platforms and choose the one that aligns with your skills and goals. 4. Create an impressive profile. Your profile is your opportunity to make a good first impression. Highlight your skills, experience, and accomplishments. Use keywords relevant to your niche to make it easier for clients to find you. 5. Deliver high-quality work. Once you land a project, communicate effectively with the client, clarify any doubts, and deliver the work on time. Provide excellent customer service and ensure the client is satisfied with the final product. 6. Build your reputation. Positive client feedback and ratings are crucial for attracting more clients. Delivering high-quality work and providing exceptional customer service will help you build a strong reputation as a freelancer. 7. Expand your network. Network with other freelancers and professionals in your industry. Engage in online communities, attend webinars, and participate in relevant forums. Networking can lead to referrals and collaborations, helping you expand your client base. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce and drop shipping are 2 methods of making money online by selling products. Here's an overview of how you can get started. 1. Choose a product niche. Select a specific market or niche that you are interested in or have knowledge about. Narrowing down your focus helps you target a specific audience and stand out from the competition. 2. Conduct market research. Research your chosen niche to identify popular products, target audience demographics, and competitors. This information will help you make informed decisions about product selection. 3. Set up an e-commerce store. There are various platforms available to set up your online store, such as Shopify. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces and tools to build, customize, and manage your online store. 4. Source products. Decide how you will source products for your store. When a customer places an order on your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. 5. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to drive traffic to your online store. Utilize various methods such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. Focus on building a strong brand presence and engaging with your target audience. 6. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to ensure customer satisfaction and encourage positive reviews. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and handle returns or refunds efficiently. 7. Analytics and optimization. Monitor and analyze your store's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Track metrics such as traffic, conversion rates, and sales to identify areas for improvement. Optimize your product listings, website design, and marketing strategies based on the data collected. Affiliate marketing is a popular and potentially lucrative way to make money online by promoting other people's products or services. Here are the key steps to get started with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Select a niche or industry that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. Build an online platform. Create a website, blog, or social media presence to serve as your platform for promoting affiliate products. Your platform should provide valuable content and engage with your target audience. Find relevant products. Select products or services that are relevant to your niche and audience. Consider the quality, reputation, and relevance of the products. Promote affiliate products. Incorporate affiliate links into your content, such as articles, reviews, tutorials, or product recommendations. You can also use banner ads, email marketing, or social media posts to promote affiliate products. Drive targeted traffic. Focus on attracting targeted traffic to your platform. Utilize various marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing. The key is to reach people who are interested in the products or solutions you promote. Track and optimize. Monitor your affiliate marketing efforts and track the performance of your promotions. Use tracking tools or affiliate platforms reporting features to analyze clicks, conversions, and earnings. Optimize your strategies based on the data to improve your results over time. Build trust and authority. Establish yourself as an authoritative figure in your niche by consistently providing valuable content and building trust with your audience. Engage with your audience, respond to their questions or comments, and establish yourself as a reliable source of information. Creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services is another effective way to make money online. Here are the key steps to get started. Identify your expertise. Determine your area of expertise or knowledge that you can teach others. It can be anything from business, marketing, personal development, language learning, fitness, or any specialized skill you possess. Define your target audience. Identify the specific group of people who would benefit from your knowledge or skills. Plan your content. Outline the content and structure of your online course or coaching program. Break down the topics into modules or lessons, and determine the learning objectives and outcomes you want to achieve for your students or clients. Choose a platform. Select a platform for hosting and delivering your online course or coaching services. There are dedicated platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy that provide a user-friendly interface for creating and selling online courses. Create engaging content. Develop high-quality content for your course or coaching program. This can include video lessons, written materials, quizzes, assignments, or interactive elements. Focus on delivering value and engaging your audience through clear explanations, practical examples, and actionable steps. Set pricing and payment. Determine the pricing for your online course or coaching services. Research the market rates and consider factors such as the value you provide, the level of expertise, and the duration of the program. Decide on payment methods and set up a secure payment gateway for accepting payments from your students or clients. Market your offering. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your online course or coaching services. Utilize multiple channels such as your website, social media platforms, email marketing, content marketing, and partnerships with relevant influencers or industry experts. Content creation is a broad field that involves producing various forms of content, such as articles, blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and more. If you're interested in content creation as a way to make money online, here are some key steps to get started. Identify your niche and target audience. Determine the specific area or topic you want to focus on for your content creation. Choose content formats. Decide on the types of content you want to create based on your niche and target audience. This could include written articles, blog posts, video tutorials, podcasts, infographics, or social media content. Plan your content strategy. Develop a content strategy that outlines what topics you'll cover, how frequently you'll publish content, and how you'll distribute and promote it. Create high-quality content. Start producing content based on your strategy. Focus on delivering valuable, informative, or entertaining content that resonates with your target audience. Promote your content. Share your content across various channels to increase its reach and attract an audience. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, guest posting, collaborations with other content creators, and online communities relevant to your niche. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your content. Monetize your content. Explore different monetization strategies based on your content and audience. This could include displaying ads on your website or YouTube channel, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, selling digital products or courses, offering premium content for a subscription fee, or accepting donations through platforms like Patreon. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback from your audience. Encourage discussions, ask for suggestions, and create a sense of community around your content. Building relationships with your audience can help you retain and grow your audience base. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate your support and engagement. Remember to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest videos on mention the topics or content you cover. Your subscription helps me continue creating valuable content and grow my channel. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it interesting or useful. Your support in spreading the word about my channel is incredibly valuable.